a daughter of Manipur, I have learned that representation is not just about who sits in power. Honorable Speaker Ma'am, before I begin, I wish to ask a simple question. If democracy means government of the people, by the people, for the people, then who speaks for those whose voices were never heard? Who speaks for that tribal child studying under tin roof? Who speaks for the student whose future was shattered because of paper leaks? Who speaks for the woman who still waits for seats in decision-making table? Who speaks for small community that feels invisible in the national conversation? Today, I rise not just as a daughter of Manipur, but for every underrepresented voice across India. Honorable Ma'am, as a daughter of Manipur, I have learned that representation is not just about who sits in power. It is about the mother in the relief camps who still hopes for peace. It is about the student whose future was shattered because of uncertainty. It is about the woman who hopes for safety, dignity, and opportunity. It is about every citizen that sits quietly and asks, does my voice matter? And I stand here today to say, yes, it does, and that democracy must prove it. Political representation is not merely occupying parliamentary seats. It is about ensuring that every citizen can see their struggles, dreams, and hopes reflected in our democracy. The Constitution of India begins with we the people, not some people, not privileged people, all people. And therefore, I propose a democracy that listens more. A democracy where technology strengthens transparency, where youth councils advises government, where women and marginalized communities are not merely included but empowered to lead. Vikasit Bharat 2047 will not be built by few hands. It will be built by every hand, every tribe, every village, every community, every woman, every student, every citizen. An inclusive India is a strong India. An equal India is a better India. And an empowered India is an unstoppable India. And so I wish to conclude where I begin with, Honorable Ma'am. If democracy truly means government of the people, by the people, for the people, let us ensure that every voice is heard, every dream is represented, and every citizen is represented. That is not mere political representation. That is democratic deepening. Jai Hind. Thank you.